Hey everybody, here we are again. Ooh, we're like the penny that just won't go away.
Shiny though.
Yes, we are shiny. Real Estate Chicks coming to you again live from Barrington, Illinois. I'm Kathy Pincus at RE/MAX of Barrington.
And I'm Judy Gibbons with RE/MAX of Barrington.
And you know what? We're talking about technology, but perhaps technology that was once hot and now it's
kind of cooled off. Ooh. But this is what, you know, makes me feel old. Now, the biggest company...
Well, you're all into tech, so how could you feel old?
But you know, there's certain things that you remember, like the sound. Remember taking typing class? And they were actually
Did you take typing? I'm not sure I did that.
You didn't?
Of course I did.
Oh, that's the one thing. And this is so funny. To this day, I give my mother so much credit because she really was all about her boys. But she made the boys take typing too, which
aren't they glad?
Yeah.
All 92 of them.
Yeah, exactly. But so the biggest company of typewriters announced that they are ceasing production on the typewriter.
That's a very sad thing.
But you know that romantic sound of the click, 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 click.
Or just watch Mad Men for a while.
Oh yeah, see, the police are out after.
They're going to go get the last typewriter that's made.
Oh,
onward, onward. We're going to go.
Right, we live in a safe town. That's all I can say.
Does everyone have a siren outside their window?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
but you know, there is a person in our office,
and
she's just the dearest of people, and I can always tell when she's very into something because I hear the click,
what
click,
is she
click.
typing?
I don't know, but she's still typing.
Wow.
And I'm amazed, yeah.
Because I know, like, carbon copies, like, that's another thing that's kind of fast.
Carbon who?
But there were certain, and I have to say, I think my family used those type of leases.
Oh yeah, I used to use those back in the day.
Yeah, back in the day, last year.
Yeah. Oh well.
Yeah.
But or how many of you? Okay, truth be told, went to the teacher's office and took the carbon out of the trash can because that's what the final was typed on.
What?
Well. I'm not saying that I know anything about it, but
this is teaching an old dog new tricks.
You know what?
I never heard that one.
You know, and you take the carbon, and the whole test was on the carbon. Now,
whoa,
yeah,
is that
straight A student?
Oh,
you wonder why?
Good job.
Cha-ching, A, B, C. Ooh, I know it's.
I can memorize.
Yeah. Right. So, anyway, I don't know how I even got on that or knew that, but anyway, I do
but that was typing.
know that typing and carbon paper and all that. And then you had whiteout, and actually I just used some whiteout the other day, and I thought, golly, I had to shake that thing. I hadn't used it in so long, but when you need it, you really need it.
It is great.
It is great.
And I forget if that was like a mistake or something, the guy that developed that's a whole other show, but that was brilliant.
You know who developed it? If I'm not mistaken, it was either that or Post-it notes.
Yeah, that's where I think
the guy from the Monkees, Mike Nesmith's mother, I think, developed whiteout.
Really?
I had something to do with.
Okay, we're gonna have to Google this later.
She invented something that was like.
And it wasn't like knit caps.
No, you would think. Yes, you would think
she's made
Pearl 1, knit 2, or whatever that was.
An automated knitting machine.
No, was more than the knit cap. She was before her time.
Wow.
She could have been a real estate chick.
She could have.
Back in this day.
Yeah, that's right. So we're kind of talking about another thing that's disappointing, especially for me. They're not going to make Wii's anymore. I'm like, I just got one. What? How did I miss this train?
What
just went past.
Yeah. You know what? I think it just went down there without you.
It just left.
What do you
Well, like tennis and
for the tennis pro that you are.
Yeah, I was.
Did you?
Oh, I used to play tennis 3 times a week. Yeah, I was a good tennis player. And at the net, because I like to curry. I like to scare you with the ball.
Were you a poacher?
Oh yeah.
In doubles?
Oh yeah.
My kind of girl.
I was. Oh yeah. No, yeah. I played. And that's why I was. Our diva. I was all excited when I heard she was playing tennis again because I'm like, you know what? It's been about 5 years for me, and I really kind of want to get back to it.
Oh, good.
So
that's good.
We'll see about that. But back to the Wii. I get to play on the Wii.
We're going to follow up on that.
Yeah.
We're trying to talk.
Yeah. So the Wii, I just got it.
Yeah.
And they're not going to make it anymore, and they've got the new secret thing that's coming out.
Oh, wow.
And then did you hear about the hacking on PlayStation? The biggest amount, 70 million users were hacked because they play games together over the internet.
Oh, yes, I did hear that.
And that is the big.
Well, and they took their passwords.
Yep.
And they took.
And I know that's what you get scared about.
I do. I get very nervous about it, because then did they take their credit card information? Because I just had my credit card number stolen.
And you don't even do anything online.
And I don't do anything online. So, and Judy always teases me, and rightly so, because she does everything online. Click, click, click. I'm writing bills. In fact, I have to go order physical checks today because I'm out of checks. That, you know, now that is a time warp. That's just silly.
Do you not know at the bank they can write the checks for you, and they will mail them? So not only will you save 44 cents, it will not have your account number on it.
I didn't know that.
We'll talk later. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, it's a great.
It's a whole world out there.
It's a whole. Whoa.
Well, meanwhile, who has a Wii?
Yeah,
not me.
But it took me forever. No, I'll tell you honestly, I kept asking because I have girls, you know, and we don't want one, and there was like would be a one Christmas gift, and they don't want to waste their Christmas gift on a Wii that Mom wanted. So guess where I got my Wii?
From Peta.
No, from my mother, who. It was her Wii.
Oh,
my
so
mother got a Wii.
Too.
It was a used Wii. and here, my mom, 79 years old, with her 84-year-old friend, so they come up on the little thing, and she had picked purple for her shirt, and they come up like this. I'm like, oh my God.
I couldn't even make this up. I mean, just the value that you bring to this show is priceless. I gotta say, who would have? I mean. Wow.
Just fun because it's. Do you know that with the Wii, stroke patients recover faster?
I can so see that.
Yes.
No, I can see the value of a Wii, no doubt.
And of course, I don't know how to set it up. I don't know how to do it. I'm just like, okay, let's turn it on, Catherine. Let's do a few minutes of it. It's just fun.
And it's good aerobic exercise. I know a friend of mine got one for her kids because just to have some.
Instead of sitting around.
Right. If you're going to do a video game, let's do a family video game that you can. So I really am surprised, but that must mean that there's something really, really cool out there that they're going to come in and dazzle you.
But I just thought, oh, jeez. And speaking of new technology, I have an iPad.
Yes.
And you're getting one.
Maria's getting one, yeah.
One of these days, and I'll tell you what, because you know I had iPhone envy, and you guys all heard about that for a long time, but I got one!
Holla!
And I'll tell you what, having the iPad helped me so much adjust to the touchpad and everything.
Oh, I'm sure.
It really did.
And has it not just rocked your world?
It is so fun.
Yeah.
It is so fun. I don't feel left behind.
Well, I used to, frankly, feel sorry for you when you were whip out your phone.
I needed someone to feel sorry for me. That's exactly
You're way too cool to have that phone with that.
Well, you know, it's a Droid, and it's supposed to be cool, but it just was a pain in my...
But just yesterday, my husband got the new Droid.
Oh, did he?
And he just thinks that's the greatest thing in the world.
Oh.
I think you're either a Droid mentality or an iPhone mentality.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know, but so I'm both. No, I'm definitely iPhone. I'm definitely about.
You go both ways.
Yeah, I do.
Good to know.
Land and sea. Yeah. Amphibian.
Good for you. And do you have a real estate, sassy quote?
Well, we were talking. It's not exactly my normal sassy quote, but this is kind of fun because we were talking about technology and that.
Yes.
But just a little FYI information that classes that use Twitter, like classrooms, that are the kids are on Twitter, or even Barrington High School soccer girls team is on it, and their grades are actually up half a point. Now, if you kids are doing homework and on Facebook at the same time, your grades are 20% lower. But the feedback was 79% of the students didn't believe it.
And there you have it. You know what? The ones that didn't believe it, go and try to prove them wrong, because I think that's what I would do. I would love to have that challenge and say, oh, it's 20%. No, you know what? Let me go Facebook all my friends and give you the real stats, because I think that's an opportunity for you to do just that. And I shout out to all you high schoolers out there, whatever high school you're in around the country, and go prove that statistic wrong. Show them your stuff. Show them that your grades are even better because of Facebook, And if they're saying that Twitter is better, hey, tweet away, baby.
Yeah.
Thanks again for joining us. We are the Real Estate Chicks. I'm Kathy Pincus with RE/MAX of Barrington.
And I'm Judy Gibbons with RE/MAX of Barrington.
And join us again. Come on over. Bye-bye.